Tsaka hindi yan sila ang... Tanongin mo po sa bukid kung sino ang presidenta niya. You ask the entire, Duterte. Yung palip-lip dyan, akala nila. Kasi ako lang rin ang pag-asa nila. If I cannot work out a system after Oslo in Norway, if I cannot work on the federal setup and make it work, then I would tell you, I am a failure. And I would consider my being a president. Wala ka lang ibang makita. Wala akong minahan dyan sa saan ba maraming mining. Wag na, kasi magtingin na naman tayo. Wala akong baski isang alwan dyan sa Ligwa San Mark. Wala. Lupa ako ka. What I really want is just my country at peace. Lahat mabubuhay. Lahat ng magmasib ng land reform bago ang federal system. For the individual, Maguindanao or Maranao to have his land. I'm willing to, yung unang ibigay ng Japanese din yan, and this have to hurry up because there are cocktails going on. Ako yung guest nila. Birthday ni Emperor. So I have to run there at the opposite side. Yung aid nila, unahin ko talaga.